Meaning of maraschino.
Maraschino. Maraschino.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A kind of cherry, especially a sweet cherry preserved in maraschino liqueur, used as a garnish or in desserts. 2. A type of liqueur, typically sweet and flavored with marasca cherries, used in cocktails and desserts. Examples. 1. The old-fashioned cocktail typically includes a maraschino cherry as garnish. 2. The dessert chef carefully placed a maraschino on top of the chocolate cake. Adjective. Definitions. 1. Relating to or flavored with maraschino liqueur. 2. Having a sweet, cherry-like flavor reminiscent of maraschino liqueur. Examples. 1. The maraschino sauce added a sweet and tangy flavor to the pork chops. 2. The maraschino ice cream was a unique and refreshing dessert option.
Maraschino. Maraschino.